Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I've been stuck lately on geometric patterns. This one's easy. Six-sided polygon. Hit P, put it in the center of the page. Hit the plus key and make a copy. Take the 2-point line, and I could do the center one, but I'm gonna do this one and have it snap to the node. Now, instead of cutting all that stuff away, I can just take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and get that shape. Now I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to take my pick tool and I'm going to get that node. I'm going to put it right there. I can get rid of this now. And because we're working in the center of the page, I can Control D, Alternate C, rotate it 60 degrees, and then go around more. Now, to make life easy, take away your center polygon. That way we won't have double lines. I'm going to go and make it something other than a hairline. That'll work. I'm going to go to Object, convert the outline to an object, and then I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to weld it. Now my lines are free. If we take the parallel dimension tool and go from right there, well, I picked a bad spot. I need to go from like right there, holding down the control button, to right there. 11.18. And see, I went from, or did I? No, I did not. You need to go from the outside. You don't have to hit your calculator. I think I messed up when I moved it. So the outside to the inside, 11.68. I'm going to change my nudge factor, 11.68. I don't ever delete that line until I'm sure I got the number. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Look at the lines match up. Control D, move it over. Whoop. Control D, Control D. You can make as many as you want. Weld these together. Now I'm going to hit, we could do this mathematically, but it's easier just to take that note. Now, there's nothing to snap to right here, but there is to here. So we can take our, where was that at? Right there, take that node and have it snap to that node. Now, instead of continuing and having a diagonal, I'm going to weld that. Control D and make a duplicate, and we'll do the same exact thing. Now you're going to be, off a little bit. Man, I'm right on the page edge. I don't like that. See, that can't snap to, but this can. So we're going to grab it and snap it right there to that node. And then you could just keep going and then weld that. And you could either fill it in with red, take away the outline, or you're going to smart fill it. And that's what you're going to get. That's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.